Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Preeti Bedi. There are so many words in English that most of us have been mispronouncing. Yes, mispronouncing. But don't worry about it. We are going to look at 30 commonly mispronounced English words and I'm going to tell you the correct pronunciation of these words. So stay with me right till the end to know the correct pronunciation of all these words. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Let's get started. So here is our first word. How do you pronounce it? It's not pronunciation. The correct way to say this word is pronunciation. Repeat after me. Pronunciation. That's what we are looking at. We are looking at the correct pronunciation of some words. Here is our next word. It's not pronounced as niche. No, that's wrong. It's pronounced as niche. Yes, repeat after me. Niche, which means a specialization in something. So pronounce it correctly next time when you read it somewhere. It's niche. The next word is, it's pronounced as heart, not hurt. You say heart. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And the next word is this. It's chaos. It's not chaos, it's chaos. Repeat after me. Chaos. Right. Let's have a look at the next word. How do you pronounce this one? It's the third day of the week. It's not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes, the correct pronunciation is Wednesday. And the next one is, it's not data, it's data. Yes, just as in D-A-Y, day. Yeah, we pronounce it as data. And here is the next word. What do you say when you borrow some money from somebody? Do you say I'm under debt? That's wrong. This word is pronounced as debt. The B here is silent. So we say debt. I am under debt. And this one is the most commonly mispronounced word. One is woman and many are women. Yes, women. We don't say women, we say women. Let's talk about these two words together. You call up at a hotel to book an executive suite. Yes, it's not hotel, it's hotel. And it's not suit, it's suite. Hotel, suite. When talking about any means of transport, what do most people say is vehicle? That's wrong. The correct pronunciation is vehicle. Vehicle. Are you liking this video so far? Did you notice? It's video. That's our next word. It's not video, it's video. So don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video useful. And also leave a comment. Yes, it's not comment, it's comment. Leave a comment. What is the first meal of the day? It's not breakfast, it's breakfast. The correct pronunciation is breakfast. I'm planning to buy a new piece of jewelry because I have a discount coupon. So these two words here, it's not jewelry, it's jewelry, jewelry. And this word here is not coupon, it's coupon, coupon. I love to add cucumber and lettuce to my sandwiches. So these two words here, it's not cucumber, it's cucumber, cucumber. And this word is not lettuce, it's lettuce. Cucumber, lettuce. Most people pronounce this word as tuition. That's wrong. It's tuition, tuition. Notice the I after the U. It's tuition. The next one is career. It's career. not carrier, as most people mispronounce it as carrier. It's career. Carrier is that metallic thing at the back of your bicycle, but this word is career. This word, it's not government, it's not government, it's government. Government. The government should speed up the vaccination process of COVID-19. It's government. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E. So you notice these two words. It's not almond, it's almond. Almond. And this word is not vitamin, it's vitamin. Vitamin. Almond, vitamin. Are you comfortable giving your introduction at an interview? So this word is not comfortable, it's comfortable, comfortable. And this one is not introduction, it's introduction, introduction. This word is commonly mispronounced as poem. Well, that's incorrect. The correct pronunciation is poem. Yes, poem, not poem, it's poem. The next one, this is not electrician, it's electrician, electrician. Can you guess this word? You cry when you cut this vegetable. Okay, that's onion. So, these two words, it's not onion, it's onion, onion. And this word, not vegetable, it's vegetable, vegetable. I love doing photography at a mountain. So these two words, it's not photography, it's photography, photography. And this word is not mountain, it's mountain, mountain. Photography, mountain. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many of these words were you pronouncing incorrectly. And watch the video as many times as you want so that you can understand each word correctly. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.